Title: The Tale of a Mother, a Story of Compassion ****. In the vibrant and culturally rich city of Córdoba, during the Golden Age of Al-Andalus, a Jewish woman named Miriam lived with her young son, Isaac. Miriam was renowned for her wisdom, kindness, and her skills in embroidery, often crafting beautiful pieces that were admired by many. She was well respected in her community for her willingness to help anyone in need, regardless of their faith or background. Desperate and clinging to the last threads of hope, Miriam decided to seek help from the ruler of Córdoba, the wise and compassionate Caliph, al-Rahman III. Known for his fairness and deep concern for all his subjects, regardless of their religion, the Caliph had fostered an environment where people of different faiths lived and worked together harmoniously. With Isaac bundled in her arms, Miriam made her way to the Grand Palace. She was initially hesitant, unsure if she would even be granted an audience with the Caliph. However, her persistence paid off, and she was brought before al-Rahman III. Kneeling before him, tears streaming down her face, Miriam recounted her plight, her voice trembling with desperation and fear. Moved by her sorrow and the evident love she had for her son, the Caliph's heart was stirred. He immediately summoned the best physicians from his court and commanded them to use all available resources to save the boy. The physicians, skilled and dedicated, worked tirelessly day and night to diagnose and treat Isaac's illness. Under the Caliph's watchful eye, and with the best medical care available, Isaac's condition slowly began to improve. After several tense days, the physicians were able to stabilize him, and soon after, he was on the path to a full recovery. Miriam's relief and gratitude were overwhelming. She thanked the physicians profusely, but she knew she owed the greatest debt to the Caliph. Wishing to express her deepest thanks, Miriam presented al-Rahman III with a beautifully embroidered cloth, a piece she had crafted with her own hands. The intricate designs told a story of unity and peace, reflecting her hope for a future where such compassion and understanding would continue to flourish. The story of Miriam, Isaac, and al-Rahman III spread throughout Córdoba and beyond. It became a powerful symbol of compassion, unity, and the ability of humanity to transcend religious and cultural boundaries through acts of kindness and mutual respect. The tale reminded everyone that at the core of all faiths lies a shared commitment to kindness, empathy, and the profound impact of helping one another in times of need. I hope you enjoy this story. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Thanks for watching.